Yeah! Stop right there, humans and dogs! Ooh, the cats!
Well, that's surprising.
Where did they come from? They were asleep. But you were asleep.
And we left you outside the gate.
How did you get up here so fast? Kitty cat shortcut. Goodbye, humans and dogs. Have a nice life. Whoa! The king. Oh, kitty cat.
I know I did.
Thanks for stopping by. See you real soon.
It's just a hole, not a swimming hole should be. Look at this. Wait, please stay on the whole man's swimming hole. You can't do that.
Hey, there ain't no law against stealing.
Yeah, there is. Oh, look, it even picked out all the little critters, Rick. Hey, the swimming hole's for everyone.
Not anymore.
This eraser guy again?
Oh, how dare they? Oh, just look what I'm going to reader.
Please, sorry.
That.
He erased the R and the building just disappeared. And now the E and A. More things are disappearing.
Lines. It says so in my reader Valley. So if you don't mind.
Looks like a train.
Not so fast, super readers. Right now, it's one train.
Uh-oh.
With my magic S's, I'll turn this train into brains.
I had a feeling he was going to say that. This is not good.
Extra! More man has made more trains and now no one can ride on any of them. Allez, trouver Patrick. Flandre.
Oh no! Larry popped all the balloons! What are we going to do?
Oh no! Rocky's in peril!
An invention of boy. To the rescue. Children, what are you doing? I told you to stay out of here. I'm trying to take a nap.
What was that?
Oh no! Larry popped all the balloons! What are we going to do?
Sorry. Princess Dazzle's gonna love it.
I love it.
I feel like a princess. Can't see me. Can't see me. I'm so much on my show. 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 my flower. I wish I had another one.